to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome, decor enthusiasts! As the winter chill sets in, let's explore 15 delightful and diverse coffee table decor ideas that infuse warmth and charm into your living space. Get ready to embrace the cozy allure of the season. Rustic charm. Create a centerpiece using a weathered wooden tray adorned with pine cones, candles, and a plate runner for a rustic winter feel. Classic elegance. Showcase a glass clutch filled with metallic ornaments and white roses, exuding timeless elegance atop your table. Country warmth. Incorporate a burlap table runner with mason jars filled with tea lights, pine branches, and cinnamon sticks for a cozy country touch. Farmhouse chic. Arrange a galvanized metal tray with a stack of vintage books, a lantern, and a eucalyptus wreath for a farmhouse-inspired look. Modern simplicity. Opt for sleek geometric candle holders paired with metallic accents and succulents for a minimalist, modern vibe. Antique whimsy. Display an antique teapot filled with dried flowers alongside vintage teacups and saucers for a whimsical touch. Vintage delight. Create a vignette with a vintage suitcase stacked with wool blankets, a retro alarm clock, and old-fashioned coasters. Shabby chic coziness. Layer a lace doily over a distressed wooden tray adorned with pastel candles and a vase of dried hydrangeas for shabby chic charm. Nature's embrace. Feature a wooden tray filled with pine cones, evergreen sprigs, and acorns, bringing the essence of the outdoors indoors. Winter Wonderland. Arrange a snow globe collection atop your table, capturing the enchantment of winter scenes in glass spheres. Cozy textures. Layer a faux fur or knit runner over your table, topped with stacked books, a lantern, and a basket of woven blankets. Festive cheer. Add a touch of holiday spirit with a collection of nutcrackers, twinkling fairy lights, and seasonal figurines. Charming quirkiness. Showcase a terrarium filled with miniatures, tiny houses, and whimsical figurines, creating a unique focal point. Hygge-Haven. Incorporate elements like candles, a pot of hot cocoa with marshmallows, and a stack of plush blankets for a cozy Scandinavian-inspired setup. Eclectic mix. Combine elements from various styles, such as a vintage tray with a mix of candles, succulents, and a decorative globe for an eclectic flair. Thank you for joining us in exploring these diverse and delightful coffee table decor ideas for winter. Which style resonated with your taste? Share your thoughts and stay tuned for more inspiring decor tips. Stay warm and cozy.